this video, we're going to go over Excel basics, and this is a continuation of a multi-part series, with this video focusing on the formatting of numbers. And so the idea here is that oftentimes you'll have numbers that you want formatted to be just slightly different, and this is how you go about doing that. So let's start with this same spreadsheet we've been using, and let's go ahead and say we want this amount column here to be formatted as currency. So we want the dollar sign, we want 2 decimal points, and we want commas. So all you do is go up to this number area here on the ribbon and choose currency, and it'll go ahead and put in that information on those cells you have highlighted. Let's go ahead and do something similar with this total. Let's go ahead and change that to accounting format, which means the dollar signs are going to be left justified on. You'll still have 2 decimal points and whatnot. Another thing you can do with these numbers is change the decimals. So up here there's 2 little buttons here. You can increase the decimals and then you can decrease. And you'll notice when you decrease, it actually rounds the numbers up or down appropriately. You can also create percentages. So let's look at this number here. Let's go ahead and make that a percentage. You can use the drop down if you'd like, or you can just go ahead and just click percent style here. And again, we can use the increase and decrease decimal buttons to do what we want to do there. Okay, the other thing we can do is format dates. So here are the same 4 dates, but we're going to format them differently. So the first one, we can choose a short date, and it just puts month, day, and year with 4-digit year. We can also do a long date, which shows the day of the week. And we can also do a custom date by choosing more number formats at the bottom. And then maybe we want the one that has 2-digit day, 2-digit month, and 2-digit year. And so we'll go ahead and click OK on that. We can also create even further custom formats by going back into more number formats and then clicking on custom down here and then choosing the format that we want. So in this case, we may want 2-digit month by putting 2 lowercase m's, 2-digit days by putting 2 lowercase d's, and a 4-digit year, and then hitting OK. So that's some ways you can do that. You can also manage the way negative numbers are handled. So this is a negative number here. Let's go ahead and go into more number formats. And what we'll want to do is go to the number category, and it will give us the location. We can change all kinds of things. For instance, we could make this 4-digit decimal places. We could use a separator, and we could change the negative numbers to be red with parentheses and click OK. There's all kinds of formats you can do, and you can create custom formats, but that's basically how you change the formatting of numbers.